Hi everyone, here's K-Style. Today I'm going to talk about Korean honorific verbs. Welcome back. My name is Lee In-young. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today I'm going to talk about these honorific verbs. First, let's talk about when you're gonna use this honorific verb. It's certainly more common to use this type of verbs when you wanna talk to somebody who are older than you in a respectful way. And there are two different types of honorific verbs you can use. First honorific type is to add she or 의시 on any type of verbs. She is used after the syllable that ends with a vowel, and 의시 is used after the syllable that ends with a consonant. So you're going to add she or 의시 after the verb root. For example, if you say 가다, to go, the verb root of 가다 is 가. 가 ends with a vowel, so you will add she, 가시다. That becomes honorific verb of 가다. How about 오다? That is to come. Again, O ends with a vowel, so you're going to add she. 오시다 becomes to come in an honorific way. That is for speaking to somebody in a more respectful way. I think I mentioned there are two types of honorific verbs. Now let's talk about second type. Second type is the verbs that actually come with honorific meanings. These verbs are born with respect, and there are not many verbs that are born with this respect. So not every verb that has equivalent to this type of honorific verb. First of all, let's talk about 먹다. 먹다 is to eat in a dictionary form. 먹 ends with a consonant, so to apply the first honorific type, you're just going to add 먹으시다. That is eat in an honorific way for the first type. But if you want to apply to the second one, actually we're gonna use completely different verb to deliver the same meaning. So this second honorific type for eat is 드시다. 드시다, this verb is already born with respect, so this one cannot be used to lower the speech, which means the 먹다 verb can be elevated into honorific verb by adding 의시. 드시다, since it's already built into respect, it's not gonna be used to talk to somebody who are the same age or younger. And more commonly, Koreans would use this second honorific type if the verbs are available, then using the first honorific type. 맛있게 드세요. Please eat deliciously. This means the equivalent to bon appetit. In previous video, I did talk about bon appetit. If you're interested in learning more about the phrase, click the I button right here. I have more examples to talk about the second honorific type, and let's go through 4 other popular ones. I can show you how to apply the first honorific type and explain the second honorific verbs that are available to those meanings. And second example is 자다, is to sleep in a dictionary form. 자 ends with a vowel, so you're going to add 시다, 자시다. But this is not common to say because we have the second honorific type that's born with respect. 주무시다, that's the verb. When you talk to somebody who's older than you, or you want to show the respect, you're gonna say 안녕히 주무세요. Please sleep peacefully. Koreans love peace. Peacefully sleep well. That is equivalent to sleep well or sleep tight in English. And then the third example, 있다. That's to exist. 있다 verb root ends with a consonant. So I'm going to add 의시. 있으시다. But we do have the verb that's born with respect. 계시다, that's to exist, or it could mean stay. And we also have a common phrase for this. 안녕히 계세요. Please stay. peacefully. This phrase is used to say bye to somebody who's staying. 안녕히 계세요. Please stay peacefully. The fourth example, 배고프다. That's to be hungry. 배고프다. If you add 시, it becomes 배고프시다. So we do have the second honorific verb, which is 시장하시다. 많이 시장하세요. Are you very hungry? And then the last one, 죽다. 죽다 means to die. If you add 으시, 죽으시다. But we do have a separate verb to deliver the same meaning in an honorific way. 돌아가시다. Even in English, you're gonna say pass away. That's more formal way to say than to die. So think of 돌아가시다 as pass away. I hope this video was useful to you. If you like this video, make sure to click like button and share the video with friends and family who want to learn Korean language and culture. If you want to follow more of my content, follow Instagrams at @kstyle and @learnkoreanphrase. Until next time, bye bye!